Billy Caldwell's rare form of epilepsy prompted the public outcry over the UK's rules on medicinal cannabis. The drug helps control his severe seizures. But Billy's mother says he's lucky to get it because under today's guidelines, he wouldn't qualify.
Absolutely devastated. It's absolutely heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking for the hundreds and thousands of other mothers and fathers and patients within the United Kingdom that desperately need this medicine.
Leave the cats alone.
Alfie Dingley's case helped spark the changes too. One of his doctors is also disappointed.
The attitude of some of the doctors and their professional bodies is frankly scandalous. Yeah, well, if we look at the cases of Alfie Dingley and Billy Caldwell, I think it's likely that if they hadn't already started on a cannabis medicine, that they wouldn't get it today, and that's incredibly sad. They even have to be unsuitable for surgery, so they're actually saying that children should go through brain surgery before trying a remarkably benign drug like cannabis.
Specialist doctors have now been given guidance as to who does qualify, and the numbers are small. Adults who suffer from sickness and nausea caused by chemotherapy will be eligible, along with those who have spasticity from multiple sclerosis and children with severe epilepsy. But first they'd have to exhaust all other treatments, and even then the types of medicinal cannabis offered will be limited.
I'm a criminal because I've got cancer and I use cannabis.
Luzita Hill uses illicit cannabis to treat her terminal cancer. Like others in this group, she doesn't meet the tight criteria, so won't benefit from this law either.
I've been turned down already. I knew it was coming and I've prepared and I've asked everyone. So where do I go now?
And the thing is, the government, by making it so restrictive and virtually impossible to access, they are actually feeding into the criminal market.
Jan Clements uses cannabis to lessen chronic pain caused by osteoarthritis and osteoporosis.
A couple of drops under your tongue.
Phil Monk's joints partially dislocate with every step he takes. He says only cannabis lessens the pain.
I've had enough of living in fear, and that's why I'm here now, incriminating myself openly and publicly. No more fear, no more shame.
Ace Sumner uses cannabis to manage his type 1 diabetes.
You're still going to be criminalising people. You know, when's this going to stop?
They say cannabis allows them to live their daily lives. And while the door is now open to greater research, only a minority of people will benefit from today's changes in the law. Sajid Javid, ITV News.